Okay, this is the only one so far that has to deal with the exterior angles. So far, everything we've done is interior, where we've used the formula n minus 2 times 180. The exterior angle has 100% to do with the 360. And so we're not going to be using the formula for this one. The n minus 2 times 180, we won't be using it. All of these will be 360. Okay, we're talking about the, if we extended each of these, oops, I'm doing a bad job drawing this, but if we extended the lines out and each of these exterior would add up to 360. Okay, and another thing that we really need to pay attention to is in the instructions, it again tells us that they're regular polygons, which we need to know, or otherwise we wouldn't be able to do this work. And it also tells us that we need to round the answers to the nearest whole number. So let's do the first one, and I'll show you what you're going to do. So first thing we need to do is find out how many sides we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The only reason we need to do that is because that tells us how many exterior angles we have. So if we have 8 sides, we also have 8 exterior angles. So we have 8 exterior angles. Okay? And we know that all of those 8 exterior angles add up to 360 degrees. That we know. Okay? So let's fill it in. 8 is the number of sides. And we know they add up to 360 because no matter how many sides it is, it always adds up to 360. That's what it's kind of cool and it's different. As long as you can memorize that, you really can't mess it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 360 and divide it by 8 because of the regular polygon. And 360 divided by 8, oops, I just messed up my calculator, is 45 degrees, which is, I think, exactly the same one we did in our notes. So this one's 45 degrees. You're going to do that same thing to all of these. And if you get a decimal, you're going to round to the nearest whole number. Let's just do one more. Let's do one further down without a picture, just to make sure that we're 100% clear on what we're doing. Let's do the 14, a regular 14 gon. And that's another thing I need to make sure you realize. After 12, they don't give them names. Like, well, 11 doesn't have a name either. Well, 12 actually does have a name, dodecagon, but they didn't name it like that here. Certain shapes do have names, but not every one does. Especially 14. I don't think it has a name. Okay, 14 gon. So obviously it has 14 sides. So we're going to take 360 and divide it by 14. So 360 divided by 14. Because it's a regular polygon. Only because it's a regular polygon. So this is 25.71. And in the instructions it says round to the nearest whole number. Well, the 71 is going to bump this up to 26. So this is going to be 26 degrees. And we're done. So 360 is never going to change with an exterior. Because it's asking for the exterior, the 360 will always be there. So make sure that, you have your notes. You really listen to the first video. You ask questions if you have them. I'm here to help. Do your best.